Yeah, we are at the market and we're going to be picking up a few things for a surprise that Neakhena is going to cook for me. I drove all the way to Batabang just to have her cook me some. Well, you'll find out here in a minute what she's going to cook me. And the first thing that we got, I believe, was some, I guess that's some sugar. This guy is making coconut milk. You can't get it much fresher than that. Okay, there he's getting there. That's for the frosting on the cake if you like coconut.
Well, welcome back to Ottoman Asia, Cambodian style. Oh, look at that.
She's making sure we get the best of the best here. Hey y'all, remember those? Banana flowers.
For our dessert, we choose only just this kind of banana.
Okay.
It is too ripe. We choose the middle, not very ripe and not green like this.
Okay.
Yeah, so we choose the middle.
Okay.
It is the middle. Yeah, it is the middle. When we cook, it is not spoiled.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not long tới. Fish and vegetables here, that's why I
Oh.
một cái mà khô mai thơ thôi. Dạ, con.
Oh, you gotta check this out. What a nice chunk of fish there. Oh my gosh. There she is, Neakhena. Great cook. And anyways, yeah, she takes her cleaver here and just slices down the spine and then just rips the whole thing out that easy. And goes and butterflies this chunk of fish. I hope they're barbecuing it. I really do. And there's a mother teaching her daughter how to bargain properly. Yeah.
Now, the first we peel these bananas skin inside, the peel out, and then we cut. After cut, we dry it a little bit.
How many bananas are you going to do?
Sometimes depend on people. Sometimes one bunch like this. If you have too many people, you can use 2 bunches or something that depend on people. Yeah.
Okay.
Like this. I just use nearly yellow like this, or sometimes a bit yellow, but it is very green and strong. Like this, it is not very tasty. So I use only just nearly 1 bunch.
Okay.
We cut 1 into 4. This and like this. This shape.
Okay.
Yeah. After finish to cutting like this, we dry it around 15 minutes from the sunshine.
Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we cook it a little bit in our hot water, and to make it very soft and jelly.
Okay.
Yes. And this tapioca. capsuleค่ะ
Okay, Duke. That's a coconut milk?
Yeah, milk.
Okay, now we gotta simmer it and stir it real slow. Okay, all right. My camera accidentally went in slow mode, and then this is actually slow mode, sped up. But hey, she's getting the bananas in there. Rookie mistake of mine again.
Okay, now we're cooking the bananas in the coconut milk and the other ingredients.
Now it's becoming jelly like this.
And how long will we boil?
Around maybe 3 or 4 minutes. To make this banana a little cook.
Okay.
And now we put it is salt. Little bit salt inside to make more smelling. And one bowl of sugar. For dessert, we never skip salt. When we don't put salt, it is not balanced for sweet. Yeah. So we put little bit salt to make balance sweet. We top up the first milk. Yeah, coconut milk like this.
Okay, now watch this when she pours that in. If you can see it, it immediately solidifies. It's like putting a roux to in soup or something. Wow, that's looking great. Oh, can't wait. It smells really good too.
Finished.
Yeah. And now you can smell very good smell from coconut milk and yeah. You see why they put the color here because it is colorful to make it more beautiful.
Yeah, okay. Yummy.
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Okay.
Do you want to know the name?
Yeah.
Yeah. This name we call chek tea. Bong aim chek tea.
Okay.
Bong aim means sweet.
Bong
mean
aim?
dessert. Yeah, bong aim. Chek mean banana. Tea mean coconut milk made together. We call bong aim chek tea. We
Okay.
make the name together, and it is very easy to cook and more tasty as well. We can cook, we can use vegetables, we can make dessert, we can make cake, we can eat raw like fruits, and also can make dessert like this.
Oh, good. Well, I'm glad you can make dessert like that, and I'm going to eat it as soon as I turn this stupid camera off. Thank you, Alcon Tran, very much. Thank you. Okay.
Please try it.
Oh, I will.
Yeah.
This is the end product here. The name is actually in Khmer. I'm going to have to look it up. I'll put it up there. But it is basically, it's called banana coconut sweet. Okay, I'll do the stupid foodie thing that everybody does. All right, hang on. Let me turn this around. Okay, they all do it. They all do the stupid foodie thing. Okay, let me see if I can get this right. Okay, all right. Here we go. You've got to be perfect. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, now here's where they get stupid at. Yeah. Oh, that was the most delicious thing I ever ate. Fooled you with my facial expressions, didn't I? Isn't that part of doing a foodie, you guys and gals? Hey, but no, really, this is freaking awesome. Real good. Alrighty. And as always, if you're still here, you're my #1 fans. Have a great day now.